Almost everyone is talking about this. A new AI model called DeepSeek has just emerged, and guess what? It's not just powerful, it's completely free. And I figured out a way to use this new AI tool to create a passive income stream that runs 24/7, okay? And the best part? You don't need any prior experience. This is beginner friendly and it works no matter where in the world you are. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use DeepSeek to make money online, even if you're starting from scratch. Okay, it's about tapping into an underground strategy that's already making beginners some serious cash. But before we jump in, let's get one thing straight, okay? This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. And if that's what you're looking for, then this might not be for you. But here's the good news. AI has totally changed the game. It's now possible to build an online business faster than ever. But you still need to learn the strategy and actually put it into action. Now let me show you something really wild about DeepSeek that most people don't even realize. This AI isn't just another chatbot. It can actually analyze markets, find trends, and even create content that makes money. With DeepSeek, you can find profitable niches that people are already spending money in, create high-value digital products in minutes, set up a system that can make money even while you sleep. For example, imagine knowing exactly what people are searching for and ready to buy, and then using AI to create a product that meets that demand, right? Now here's where it gets really interesting. You don't even have to sell your own product, because instead of spending weeks creating something from scratch, right? You can partner with companies that already have products, and every time someone buys through your link, you get paid. This is called affiliate marketing, and it's hands down one of the easiest ways to make money online, especially when AI is doing most of the heavy lifting for you, okay? So I will walk you through exactly how to set this up step by step. To proceed, we're going to walk through a very powerful strategy. So first, we're going to pick an offer from the ClickBank marketplace, but honestly, this method works for any affiliate platform. The key is to follow the strategy, no matter where you're getting your offers, okay? And I totally understand that. A lot of you here are beginners in affiliate marketing, right? Or maybe you're just getting started in the make money online space. So this first step is super important. The first thing we need to do is find a niche where people are already spending money. And here's where DeepSeek comes in. It's an amazing tool to help us analyze market trends and pinpoint exactly where people's money is going. Here's how you can use it. Simply ask DeepSeek to help you find trending topics or hot products in specific industries, whether that's fitness, skincare, tech, or personal finance. Okay? Once you've identified a niche, the next step is to use DeepSeek to find affiliate programs that align with it. Let's say you chose the fitness space, right? You can search for affiliate programs related to workout gear, supplements, or online fitness courses. You get the idea, right? After you've identified a niche, you want to validate whether there's real demand for the products you're thinking about promoting with the help of DeepSeek, okay? And it does this using the search data and social media trends. For instance, you just might discover that home workout equipment is trending right now, and there could be several affiliate programs offering commissions for promoting these products. That's obviously something worth considering, right? Now head over to DeepSeek. Once you're there, you'll want to input this prompt, and it says, analyze current market trends in, then insert your niche like fitness, tech, personal finance, and identify the top 5 trending topics or products that people are searching for. Provide insights into why these trends are popular and how they can be monetized. For us, we're going with fitness, and we'll wait for DeepSeek to do its thing, okay? Now, this will give you a snapshot of the hottest trends and products in your niche. And remember, while AI can give you great suggestions, don't forget to choose a niche that you are passionate about. That's going to keep you motivated and help you stick with it long term. Pretty amazing, right? The output it gives aligns perfectly well with our prompt. So, DeepSeek gave us the top 5 trending topics, along with some relevant insights. The first topic is wearing fitness technology, right? Smartwatches, fitness trackers, and wearable devices all trending. These gadgets are mainly used to track things like heart rate, sleep patterns, stress levels, and more. It also explains why this trend is so popular. which the main reason is that these devices provide real-time feedback to users, allowing them to keep tabs on their health without needing to book a doctor's appointment for basic checkups. Okay? And as for monetization, the AI suggests affiliate marketing as the first option. The second topic is home fitness equipment and virtual workouts, right? Anyways, there are definitely more topics to explore, but since we want to keep this video short, let's move on to the next action. Now, check out this next prompt. Just watch how powerful this tool is. It says, please find affiliate programs that align with the fitness industry. Provide a list of programs, their commission rates, and the types of products or services they offer. Also, include any requirements to join these programs. To go the extra mile, we're using the DeepThink R1 model for real-time, accurate data. Let's see what it generates for us. Beautiful. You can slow down the video a bit to catch up with the output. The AI has pulled together a list of 13 affiliate programs in the fitness industry, detailing commission rates, product categories, and requirements, okay? And these programs align perfectly with the trends we discussed earlier: wearables, home fitness, recovery tools, and so on. I love this section. Tip success. It suggests prioritize recurring commissions, combining high-ticket and low-ticket items, pair products like supplements, which have high volume, with equipment, which offer high commission. If you've promoted fitness or health products before, you know this strategy works, and it recommends platforms like ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, and Awin. For beginners, though, it's best to go with a platform that doesn't require approval right away while you build your blog or audience, okay? And that's why Amazon Associates is a great option. Amazon gets about 2.7 billion monthly visitors, and aside from being the top e-commerce platform, right? It has earned credibility over the years. This makes it a solid place to make your first affiliate sales as a beginner, but feel free to explore other affiliate programs too. After all, the goal is to make money. Next, you need to validate the topic or product using this prompt. Remember, we are still using the DeepThink model, okay? And there you go. The AI tapped into some top SEO tools to provide this information. It pulled data from Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Google Trends. On this search data and keyword analysis section are some useful data. Home workout equipment has a search volume of 40,000, but the competition is high. Cheap home gym equipment gets about 12,100 searches, and the competition is medium. Compact Home Gym has 8,900 searches with low to medium competition. This table is crucial for helping you make informed decisions about your content strategy, okay? And what really stands out to me is the Key Insights section, which provides more guidance on how to create content around this topic. Demand validation is all about understanding if people are actively searching for the products or services you're offering. Take search volume, for example. The core term home workout equipment gets over 40,000 searches per month globally. There's definitely a strong ongoing interest in strength training, with items like adjustable dumbbells in high demand. Then Google Trends also shows that searches for home fitness are still 30% higher than pre-pandemic levels, right? This proves that interest didn't just spike during the pandemic, it has remained strong ever since. And people have really embraced working out at home as part of their daily routines. This is insane. DeepThink is a game changer, especially when it comes to SEO, but that's a topic for another day, okay? And one last thing, the projections are massive. The global home fitness market is projected to hit an enormous $21.2 billion by 2028. So yes, there's a huge potential in this space. Many of these consumers are parents seeking convenient ways to stay fit amid busy schedules. If your target audience aligns with this, you're in a prime spot. Beautiful validation, right? And remember, this strategy can be applied to any niche, okay? Once you've identified your niche and topic, the next step is to create content that attracts and engages your audience. And this is the part I love the most. We'll base our next steps on these insights. And now let's move on to step 2, while I reveal some underground strategy that person's been gatekeeping. All right, so you need to stick with these 3 types of articles for now, and here are the prompts you'll want to keep handy, okay? By the way, I'll leave a Google Drive link with all the prompts used in this video, so make sure to check the description box below. Now, we're going to use the Write SEO-optimized articles prompt. All you need to do is replace the part in the brackets with your specific topic or niche, okay? I even instructed it to link to stock images to the blog post and then let the AI work its magic. This is amazing. It came with the images. You can always change the images if you have better ones, okay? And they are all license free. This strategy is all you need to make your first affiliate sales, and trust me, it works. I've been making affiliate sales using exactly this method. Here's a random affiliate offer I'm promoting, and all my articles and marketing content are crafted by AI, including videos with little to no human interference. Now, from Originality Report, which analyzes how AI-generated content is trending and ranking on Google. As you can see, AI content is growing rapidly, right? And it's performing really well in search results. The truth is, not many people are fully taking advantage of AI to make money yet. As a blogger, I can tell you that Google isn't against AI content as long as it serves the user's needs and doesn't manipulate rankings, okay? So if you're creating valuable, helpful content, AI is just a tool to help you get there faster and more efficiently. All right, so the strategy here is pretty smart. Once you've got your article written, just like the one we've got here, copy and paste it into Google Docs. Now grab the sections you want, paste them in, okay? Then arrange everything properly and make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any issues when pasting, especially with images not loading properly. Well, some images didn't even load well. Anyways, there are two main things you want to focus on here. First, remove any unwanted parts or fluff that doesn't add value to your content. And second, don't forget to add your affiliate links, okay? Now, if you're serious about taking this strategy to the next level, I highly recommend getting the Pretty Links plugin. This will help you cloak your affiliate links, since some content distribution websites don't always love direct affiliate links. But honestly, who cares? If the content is good, it'll work. To add your affiliate link, just highlight the text where you want to embed the link, click on the Insert Link icon, paste your affiliate link in, hit enter, and voila, you're good to go. Now, once everything is arranged in Google Docs, head over to medium.com. It's free to use, okay? And if you follow the strategy I'm showing you, your article will rank on both Medium and Google. Here is SimilarWeb. Just check out how much traffic Medium gets every month. Crazy, right? Well, here's the kicker. Medium will even pay you for posting on their platform. And there are already plenty of people making money this way. So you make money with your affiliate product and you still make money on Medium Partnership Program. Amazing, right? Well, if you don't have an account yet, get one. It's free. Once you log in, you'll land on this interface. Now, there are 3 strategic things you want to do, okay? Head back to Google Docs, grab your title, and paste it into the title section on Medium. The meta description, copy that from your Google Docs and paste it in the description field, okay? And watch me do this by using the settings feature. Meta description is that section that Google will index and show to the viewers or readers on the search page, just like this. So ensure it is optimized and relevant. You can input tags which are also keywords. DeepSeek already suggested them, okay? Then, to copy the body, just hit Ctrl-A to select everything, Ctrl-C to copy, and Ctrl-V to paste it into Medium, if you're on Windows, that is. Simple, right? The big deal is Medium's algorithm changed just last year, and this change has been super favorable to new users. So now's the perfect time to start posting, okay? And one of the biggest advantages of using DeepSeek is that it can help you create content that ranks well on Google, being that DeepSeek can analyze top-ranking articles and help you create content that matches or exceeds their quality is just insane because it pulls out real-time data if you prompt it well, okay? This strategy is all about working smarter, not harder. You don't need any prior experience or technical skills to get started. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's looking for a legitimate way to make money online. And if you're ready to get started, drop a comment below with the niche you're thinking of targeting. It shouldn't be that complicated, okay? I'd love to hear from you. Bye.